once again.
Fifth one, third sum, tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. So left hand side we have to consider and we have to prove the right hand side. So first left hand side we can write the left hand side equal to tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So shortcut method we can remember here sin, cos, tan, sin opposite is cosecant, secant and cot. Okay. Tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. So tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. Identity we can use here instead of tan theta, sin theta divided by cos theta. The denominator 1 minus cot theta we can write cos theta divided by sin theta. So cos theta divided by sin theta plus again cot theta we can write cos theta divided by sin theta. So cos theta divided by sin theta. The denominator 1 minus tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. So the numerator you can write as it is sin theta divided by cos theta. The denominator cross multiplication sin theta into 1 sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta write as it is. The denominator cross multiplication cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So numerator fraction write as it is. The denominator fraction take a reciprocal. Sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. If you take reciprocal, sin theta denominator sin theta minus cos theta plus numerator cos theta divided by sin theta. The denominator take reciprocal, cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta we can write sin square theta. The denominator cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. The denominator sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So the next step, here the denominator cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta and here the denominator sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So see in the bracket, in this bracket sin theta minus cos theta, in this bracket cos theta minus sin theta. Both want to come unique, for that this one I am transferring. While you are transferring time plus symbol, if you are taking minus outside na, the plus symbol it will change as a minus symbol. So sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, a plus you can change it as minus cos square theta. The denominator sin theta write as it is. While transferring time plus symbol it will change as minus. So instead of minus sin theta you can write plus sin theta. Instead of plus sin theta cos theta you can write minus cos theta. Now we have to take the LCM for the denominator. Here also sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta, but here the denominator having cos theta, here the denominator having sin theta. So you can multiply here in the sin theta and the denominator sin theta. Here you multiply cos theta and the denominator cos theta. Now the denominator will be unique. Sin square theta into sin theta, sin cube theta, the denominator cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here cos square theta into cos theta, cos cube theta denominator sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now see the denominator both are same. So we can write as it is one time sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. The numerator we can write together sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Here we have very important step. This step is very important. After that this step is very important. After that this step is very important. So in this step numerator we are using the formula a cube minus b cube. Already we know the formula very well. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So we can use here, instead of a we have to consider sin theta, instead of b we have to consider cos theta. So now I am applying the formula sin theta minus cos theta. Instead of a sin theta, instead of b cos theta, again a square, so sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus a into b sin theta into cos theta. The denominator sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now numerator also having sin theta minus cos theta on the denominator, so you can cancel. Already we know this sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. The first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta, the denominator is sin theta cos theta. So separately we can divide. First one 1 divided by sin theta into 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So here also sin theta cos theta, here also sin theta cos theta we can cancel. 1 by sin theta, sin reciprocal is what? Cosecant theta. Sin reciprocal is what? Cosecant theta. So 1 by sin theta we can write cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta we can write secant theta, because cos reciprocal is secant theta, plus numerator denominator we cancel, we get 1. Therefore this one we can rearrange, right? 1 plus cosecant theta into secant theta. So the left hand side we consider, right hand side we proved. So it is very important sum. So practice 1 or 2 times, then you will understand clearly.